Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in May of this year, as I posted, a bunch of the Google Workspace apps got new icons. And just to let you know that if you are using Google Sheets, that 3 months later, basically, the Google Sheets icon has been updated. Now, I'm not seeing the update yet for the icon. It's still the old one. But if we have a look at one or two images provided by Android Authority, I'll leave the post in the description. Here we can see the old icon. And if we head to the new icon, we can see that the Google Sheets icon has been flipped upside down. So basically they've just flipped it around. And no other changes have been made to the icon's shape or colors. It's just the orientation that has been changed. Now I do think this is a better move because the icon has been rotated 180 degrees and it looks like an actual spreadsheet now, with lines along the top and left edges that basically evoke the row of letters that label columns and the column of numbers that label rows. And then this small strip here to the right edge of the icon also reads better as a second worksheet, which in Sheets and apps similar to it would be accessed by clicking on a tab to the right of the first one. So basically this represents what it's actually trying to indicate, what the actual icon is all about. Now, given how much more closely the icon actually resembles a spreadsheet, now that it's been rotated from that orientation to this orientation, it does seem possible, and I think perhaps even likely, that the icon's previous orientation was a mistake, and Google hasn't yet responded to request for comment. And currently the updated Sheets icon has been spotted on iOS, and the old version is still available on Android, and as we can see, still the old version in my region on the web. But obviously, if you do notice in the next day or two, or even maybe a week or two's time, that that orientation has been flipped over, then that's the reason why. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.